The Seoul Architecture Biennale is making waves this year with a bold mission: to foster genuine dialogue with the public rather than merely echoing the familiar discussions found in other architecture festivals. This ambitious goal is championed by Thomas Heatherwick, the event's general director, who emphasizes the importance of engaging the city's residents in conversations about their built environment. In an exclusive interview with Dezeen, Heatherwick expressed his desire to spark a meaningful dialogue about architecture within the community. Public conversation is crucial because it creates the context that shapes everyone's experience, and we have overlooked the need to communicate with the public, he stated. He pointed out a troubling trend in society, where there is a prevailing belief that the general public lacks understanding, which he describes as a toxic mindset. Heatherwick is keenly aware of the numerous creative biennales that exist, often catering exclusively to industry insiders. There are hundreds of these events, and they typically serve only those within the profession, he noted. We often find ourselves trapped in an echo chamber. Much like how dentists might gather at their own conferences, architects and designers frequently talk amongst themselves. But what value do we add by creating yet another event that does the same? He believes that engaging with the local population is particularly vital, since the Biennale is fully funded by the city of Seoul. This unique aspect provides a platform to broaden the discussion surrounding the aesthetics and functionality of buildings, a theme central to his ongoing Humanise campaign. The fact that the Seoul Architecture Biennale is entirely city-funded is a significant motivator for us, Heatherwick remarked. He lamented the lack of public discourse in architecture, contrasting it with the abundance of cooking shows on television. In the past decade, there have been thousands of cooking programs, yet only about 70 focused on architecture and buildings. This indicates a serious communication gap. Just like food, the design of buildings profoundly impacts our daily lives, he explained. To ensure that the public is aware of the Biennale, Heatherwick Studio has designed a striking 90-meter-long twisted wall located in a prominent area of the city. This eye-catching installation serves as a beacon to draw attention to the event. We recognized that the exhibition hall itself might not capture people's interest, so we were excited when the city allowed us to utilize one of its prime public spaces, he shared. Heatherwick pointed out a common challenge faced by citywide creative festivals. Many citizens remain unaware of such events. When you ask an average person if they know about a citywide design festival, most, aside from those already in the loop, will have no idea it's happening. So, in a bustling city, how do you effectively inform the public? You need to grab their attention, he said. The Humanise Wall, located in Songyeon Green Plaza Park, is adorned with images that reflect the ideals of the Humanise campaign, alongside specially commissioned pieces for the Biennale. The design of this wall is inspired by a proposal Heatherwick made 26 years ago for Blackburn Station in England, where he envisioned a multifunctional wall that served as both a windbreak and a piece of art. It may seem random, but we had this idea for Blackburn Station where we wanted to create a single wall that twisted 180 degrees, combining functionality with aesthetics. We've held onto that vision for years. Heatherwick views the Humanise Wall as a pivotal element in initiating conversations with the people of Seoul. It acts as an introduction, inviting those interested to delve deeper into the exhibits, which are connected by a series of pink dots leading to the main exhibition hall. The Humanise Wall serves as a welcoming panel, encouraging everyone to come together. It's like a magazine, but towering at 16 meters high, creating a pavilion-like space that can serve as a performance area or shelter from the elements, he described. This wall is designed to facilitate a call and response dynamic. embodying the principles of the Humanise campaign, which Heatherwick launched in 2023. One side of the wall presents a viewpoint and invites engagement, while the other side encourages responses, creating a dialogue, he elaborated. In addition to the main wall, there are 24 smaller sections, each crafted by creatives from around the globe, which Heatherwick likens to a large henge. He emphasized the importance of these 4.8-meter-high walls, designed to represent snippets of building exteriors, as they provide a tangible presence that engages the public. If we had simply presented drawings or models, city officials and developers might have been satisfied. But we wanted something that was bold enough to provoke thought and action. This approach minimizes the gap between concept and reality, making it accessible and relatable, he stated. Heatherwick believes that these large-scale installations will help demystify the overarching themes of the Biennale for the people of Seoul. Our Biennale represents a genuine effort to foster a broader conversation, as I believe that everyone stands to gain from it. When people create things they care about, they are less likely to want to demolish them, and we can become better stewards for future generations by creating structures worth preserving and adapting, he concluded. The Seoul Biennale of Architecture and Urbanism is set to take place from September 26 to November 18, 2025. In Seoul, South Korea. For a comprehensive list of architecture and design events happening worldwide, check out the Design Events Guide.